Assalamu alaikum. How's everyone? Well, today I decided to talk with you guys. It's been a while. So I see I have a lot of new subscribers, mashallah. So I just want to say welcome to my channel. And if you are new, I make videos about cooking and family. That's all. Travel maybe sometimes. Since we haven't traveled for a year, we just all forgot about the travel, didn't we? Anyway, so I just want to say that the new subscribers, thank you first of all for subscribing to my channel. And that is giving me motivation to make new videos, actually. So today I made some noodles. These egg noodles I have recipe I believe on my channel. My son loves it, so I made the noodles and I told him to come if he wants it, and he came and he ate and he took some for the kids. So that's how it is here. So Alhamdulillah, I'm able to cook and provide. It gives me happiness actually. So I made the video. I'm gonna edit it and probably put it on. I don't want to talk in the video. I'll see if I feel like it. Usually, I'm not a talkative person. Mashallah, my sister, she has a channel and she talks in her channel's name is Gupshup, and I love her talk. She says reminds me all kinds of things we did in our childhood and stuff like that. So um, for me, I don't like to talk too much, but anyway, I decided to do my channel in Urdu and English too, so now Urdu. So और क्या हो रहा है सब लोग क्या कर रहे हैं आज सैटरडे है तो मैंने लेटर ऑन पिकअप करना है अपनी बेटी को वो गई हुई थी अपनी फ्रेंड की तरफ तो आज उसने वापस आना है इंशाल्लाह. So I'm gonna pick her up. That's her office. ये उसने बनाई हुई है हमारी तस्वीर और उसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है. Let me show you. हदीस रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की जन्नत माँ के पाँव के नीचे है. It's beautiful. I love that picture. So बस मैं ये बैठे बैठे सोचा कि वेलकम करूँ अपने सब्सक्राइबर्स को, new subscribers and old ones. Thank you very much for sticking with me. I started this channel in I believe 2014 or 15, somewhere there. It's been a while. But I just sometimes I am active and sometimes I'm not active. Whenever I had time, I put the video on. And then I was cooking in the beginning, putting recipes. क्योंकि मेरी जो बहू है उसने कहा कि आप रेसिपीज डालें ताकि मैं देख के बनाऊं, क्योंकि वो इजिप्शियन है तो पाकिस्तानी खाना उसका बहुत पसंद है, तो बनाना चाह रही थी. तो खैर फिर मेरे बेटे ने फरमाइशें की ये डालो तो इस तरह वो चैनल जो है ना शुरू हो गया. फिर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुई, बैक पेन एंड ऑल दैट, तो मुझसे इतना पकता नहीं था. तो फिर वो हसल होता है कि भाई कैमरा लगाना, सेटअप करना सारा, तो वो फिर मैंने छोड़ दिया. फिर मैंने व्लॉग शुरू किए. व्लॉग मेरा ख्याल था इजी है, वो शुरू करते रहते, तो वो किया. फिर वो भी ख़त्म हो गया. तो अब दोबारा से मैं अब यही करूँगी कि व्लॉग भी लगाऊँ और खाना भी जब हो सके बनाऊँ इंशाल्लाह. तो क्योंकि I feel a lot better. I had the operation done, थोड़ा रेस्ट किया, तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह it's a lot better now. तो मेरी एक वीडियो है नूडल्स की, तो वो मेरी अपनी रेसिपी. आई डोंट नो हाउ आई गॉट दैट. आई जस्ट बिल्ड अप दैट रेसिपी बाय माई सेल्फ. तो ये उसमें हॉट ऑयल बना के उसको माइक्रोवेव में गर्म करके, तो फिर जब कुक हो जाती है नूडल्स उस पर डाल के, तो वो फिर स्पाइसी थोड़ा हो जाता है, बच्चों को पसंद आता है. So stay tuned. I'm gonna put that recipe, link that with this video, inshallah. Okay. See you next time. Assalamualaikum.
Creating a scenario where he could pardon himself. Is that possible?
No, it's not. I explained that 3 years ago in an op-ed with Norman Eisen and Lawrence Tribe. And Lawrence Tribe is one of the foremost constitutional law experts in the United States at Harvard Law School. We looked at this. It's politically.
Investigations that he has right now before him.
Well, I don't want to get into specifics about the translated by their group wants to extend, the ratings for Donald Trump over there, along with Mr. Snowden and others betrayed their country. But the bottom line is that he's in the United States of America, reigning country with an extradition treaty he is well within reach of the New York Attorney General, and he has serious problems, okay?
Thank you for your clear message on that, Richard Painter. That's our show for today. Thank you for tuning in. We'll be back for more AMA tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern. For now, stay tuned for my friend Alex Witt. Her guests will include Congresswoman Sarah Lilly.
At Dell Technologies, we started by making the cloud easier to manage. But we didn't stop there. We made the cloud flexible enough to adapt to any size business, no matter what it does or how it changes.
Your mission is stand up to monitor your inventory arthritis and take it on with Invoke. Invoke, a once-daily pill, and dramatically reduce symptoms. Invoke helps tame pain, stiffness, swelling, and for some, Invoke can even significantly reduce RA fatigue. That's Invoke relief. With RA, your overactive immune system attacks your
scathing opinion is a judge that was nominated by President Trump in 2017. Nonetheless, the attack on the judiciary system as being activists from the president's legal team. And Kayleigh McEnany, the White House press secretary, also spoke to
in Georgia, and they're excited and motivated. So we'll see. It may be a split decision, but I'd give a slight advantage to the Democrats at this
Wanting
point.
that scathing opinion reprimanding the president's legal team, saying, calling it an election. What more can they do at this point? I'm curious, what is their end game really?
President-elect Kamala Harris today. She went to a holiday market in Washington, D.C., just a few blocks from the White House, and she really put into focus with her stay on their feet as this pandemic continues on. While Harris was touring some of these tents here, she stopped in, she looked around. It appeared to look like she bought some things. We know that she's someone who likes to cook, and we know that some of these tents look like they have food-related things in them, so we're waiting to hear if she purchased anything. But she also said some